Meow, meow, meow,
Meow,
meow,
meow,
meow,
meow,
meow,
meow,
meow, meow,
I heard
meow.
meow. Yes, yes. Whoever spoke meow first can go ahead.
Meow.
The movie
Movie
name
is
is Gold. Gold.
okay. Is there any movie like that? Gold.
Yes.
Akshay
Yes,
Kumar's
yes.
Gold.
Akshay Kumar.
Oh. Wow, wow, wow. Very good. Team Bhau, 10 points. Team Meow, 10 points. The next one.
How, 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 how.
Meow, meow, meow. I heard meow first. That was Ashutosh. Yes. Okay, Team Bhau, what do you think?
Yes, it
Yes,
is
it
Sole.
is Sholay.
Very good. Team Bhau, 10 points. Team Meow, 20 points. Team Bhau, come on, come on. Next round, you have to win. Start.
Mon, Mohit,
Politics. Polybag.
Boys.
Boil, Royal,
Bottle.
Poem, Poem,
Boil.
Rocket,
Porridge.
Oh my God, what was the word?
The word was importance.
Importance. Oh, I think we missed the beginning one. Sheetal was saying that. Okay, but a good attempt, Sheetal. Now this is the time for team Shrishti to give a word to team Saraswati. Shrishti, any member from your team can give a word. I'm forwarding the word, Karan. All the best. And let me start your timer. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sorry. Again. Hammer.
Is it habit? Habit?
It's all blue.
Vishal, you do not have to do. You are in our team, I think.
Rabbit. Is it rabbit? Yes. Something is bit. Bit is there.
What was the word, Sheetal?
The word is cabbage.
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 Cabbage. We are 8. All the best. Don't forget to change your name also. You can keep any funny name or whatever. Let's get started. I can see there are many people, and I really appreciate your efforts here. Let's start with Kalia. I am not able to recognize everybody. What you have to do is you have to write in the chat box who you think is Kalia. You can write. Who is Kalia? My God, even I'm not able to recognize. Parvinder, no, it's not Parvinder. No, I know Rakshanda, where Rakshanda is. Not Rakshanda. All right. I think most of the people think that it's our team. Kalia, I request you to reveal your identity. Who are you? Parvinder, hats off, man. My God. Wow, good. Very nice. Good. Okay. Let's see who is ABC, everybody. ABC. My God, ABC has put a lot of effort. Very good. ABC. Who is ABC? I think. Okay, everybody, you can type in the chat box. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, Dora, and 1. I think ABC is Shrishti. Maybe. ABC, please reveal your identity. Oh, that's Shrishti. Good, Shrishti, good. Shrishti did a lot of. Okay, where no number has to be spoken by 2 people. For example, I say go. So, Amit said 1, then somebody, Vishal said 2, then Aarti said 3, and Karan and Shrishti said 4 together. 2 people spoke the same number together, then we'll restart. So like this, we would have to reach to number 13. Let's have a demo round. Okay.
Let's turn off our cameras.
Let's turn off our cameras. And 3, 2, 1, go.
1.
3, 2, 1, go.
1.
2.
Ravinder.
Why are you saying it to me?
Oh, did 2 people speak 2 together?
Yes,
No.
Rakshanda,
Yes,
she did not order.
Yes.
People,
3, 2.
please keep your mic on mute. So one person unmute and say.
No strategies. This is the essence of this game, Karan. No planning can happen. But that's okay. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Two.
Okay. Three.
Rakshanda, your timing is very, very bad. It's going bad.
I'm not even getting that.
All right.
All
Three,
right.
2, 1, go.
1.
Two.
Honey.
Second last round. 3, 2, 1, go. 7 is the
One.
highest number as of now. 3, 2, 1, go.
1.
The moment I'm going to open the breakout rooms, you have to join your breakout room. You have to ensure that all the team members grab 5 common objects. For an example, if you have mask, you have to ensure the other team members also pick up mask. Then the second common object, and likewise. As soon as you're able to do, leave the breakout room and join the main. You would win. Now here, I'm opening the breakout rooms. Please join and all the best. Everybody in round 2, you would of course go back to your breakout room, but this time you have to find at least 5 differences in this image. You can take a screenshot quickly. You have to find difference in these 2 images. You have 5 seconds to take a screenshot. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm opening the breakout rooms. The moment you have found 5 differences, you can leave the breakout room. All the best.
Yes.
Yes.
Fine, we'll have the last round here now. That will only be for 1 minute. Here, timer will be there, and the challenge is that you have to look similar. Now, how you are going to look similar, that's up to you.
To look similar.
You have to look similar.
Yes, got it. Got it.
For example.
Interesting.
I can't give example, otherwise you'll get to know. So
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.